Hello guys, my name is Enrique Larcon and I'm here in the Dance Collective of Westport. I'm here with Valeria, who is helping to do the class today, and I'm going to teach you how to do a 3-step turn. When you do 3-step turns, you could use them for contemporary, for jazz, for any Latin rhythm, for any ballroom style. Obviously, it depends of each rhythm, right? But a 3-step turn is literally 3 steps. So I'm going to use Valeria's time. So you are going to mirror, so you're going to go with your left, you guys are going to start with your right. So you are going to set with your left foot. This is 1 step, okay? The second one, you are going to put your feet together, 2. And the third one, you're going to land, 3. The second step is the actual turn. So you will go 1, you turn on the second one, close your feet, and open on the third one. Okay, that's 3-step turn. Now, when you do any lyrical dance like jazz, ballet, contemporary, you always go in a full releve. So you go up, right? And you could do a chaîné, or you could do a soutenu, which is our 3-step turns. Now, when you do Latin, you are going to use the middle part of the ball of your feet. No full releves, because Latin turns are a little bit faster. So Valeria is going to do a Latin turn, which is a little bit faster. She's not going to go on full releve. She's wearing Latin heels. So she goes, this is 1. You close on 2, 3. Thank you guys. Hope to see you soon.
Alors on danse.